This afternoon, optimizing sales and profit with ebooks and digital publishing, or as Mark likes to call it, make books and make money.
The Mark Lefebvre.
Publishing was derived from humankind's innate desire to share stories, starting with people huddled around campfires to hear adventures about the world beyond the safety of their firelight. It wasn't until Gutenberg's invention of the printing press that books became available to a larger audience, and the modern era of publishing began. I'm going to explain how this can be just as interactive as this. Writers can take advantage of the technology to tell stories in fascinating ways. I'm going to make the assumptions that you want to build or maintain a sustainable career as a full-time author, and that you're open to hybrid publishing opportunities. Because I've been involved in self-publishing and digital publishing for a long, long time, I'm so excited that we've given authors the ability to push a button and publish. We've given them this amazing power, but what we haven't done is we haven't given them the knowledge they need to use that power properly. Diversifying your self-publishing, traditional publishing with sales, and mixed Kindle would represent 46%. Kobo was always number 2 for me. The different bundle of selling direct, story bundle, collaborative projects. And then there's Nook and Apple in there.
Digital hit publishing so fast. We seemed to be at the tipping point for a long, long time, and then it just went. The transfer of knowledge and fiction through electronic means and devices, it was science fiction. It is now science fact.
Do I have any spinach in my teeth?